Hey, what's up everybody? This is Eliseo. I am doing an unboxing of the Canon M50. Now this is not going to be a super technical video. This is literally just me doing an unboxing, more for myself, more for documentation purposes, kind of like memory purposes, like almost like self-vlog of me being able to go back in a couple years and look at my journey from just going strictly from my cell phone, which is what I always use and what I'm using right now, to actually somewhat upgrading to an actual mirrorless DSLR camera and a camcorder, just kind of making that transition. Because, you know, if you know me, I'm all about the mobile phones and cell phones and just the power that they have, and some of the things and specs and features and abilities that they have are just amazing now. But I really felt it's necessary to really take my content creation to a completely new level, quality wise, and just go ahead and start learning how to use a camera, not only for video but for photo as well. So I'm just going to be unboxing this. Like I said, I just want to be able to look back in a couple years and really just see how far I've grown from not being able to use cameras at all to hopefully becoming pretty good on these tools. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the M50. I just got it in. It was a couple days ago I got it in, but I've been super busy. Haven't had time to unbox it. And I said, you know, I want to actually unbox it like you see on YouTube, they unbox stuff. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it just comes with a bunch of stuff here. Register counterfeit batteries. Don't be buying fake batteries. Yeah, we don't want that. Look, it's gonna blow your camera up. I've actually heard about that happening too. People camera blowing up with fake batteries. Just some documentation, manual. Oh, definitely probably gonna need the manual, definitely. All right, so let's open this up. All right, guys, excuse me, I've never done an unboxing video before, so let me just throw that out the way. All right, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that, man. That's Canon M50. I bought it new. I didn't get this refurbished, even though it was tempting. It's like $100 cheaper to get it refurbished. Look at that. The flip out screen. Whoa. Wow, I didn't think it would feel this good to hold one of these. Look at that, and it turns around. Man, you like a lot of content creators, a lot of my favorite content creators, they completely rant and rave about this camera, you know. So I know it's good. It's been in my checkout, my cart for like a few months. I just really was like, do I want to pull the trigger on this? Do I really need it? But, you know, I can truly say with full conviction that I think it was worth the investment. So absolutely, let's sit this right here. Let's see what else we got in here. This is, I guess, the actual battery. Oh, the strap, the Canon strap. What is this? Okay, I guess the battery charger. Cool. Yep, I got this in a kit. So it comes with, oh, look at that, the kit lens. I'm not really very well versed on lenses or cameras at all, for that matter. But everybody says if you're gonna get the camera, just invest in a kit so you can get the kit lens. I don't even know how to touch it. Look at that. Wow. So this is the kit lens that comes. Look at that. It's gonna be color coordinated. So, I guess go through this, but I don't know, man. See, I have so much to learn. It's pretty cool though. Pretty cool. I know I'm gonna be able to really make some dope content with this camera. I got it also for streaming, not just to make YouTube videos, but I want to live stream with this camera. So I'm excited about that. Cool. All right. So yeah. Now I did move this out the way. I did get some lenses. These were highly recommended by some of my favorite content creators. I just binge watched their videos and they was like, get these to start. Of course, with the kit lens as well. So I have what they call the Nifty 50. I did get the Young Nuo brand because it was literally like a third of the cost of the Canon brand. So it was like $50 compared to Canon's was like $150 or $125. I got the speed booster. This is the Viltrox speed booster. This is like the adapter. So this can attach to the camera. So I believe so. Come on, like let's just be honest with you. I'm not no technical guy with this. Like I'm literally, you guys are gonna literally see me learning this as I go. So this is kind of exciting because you'll get to see me kind of learn how to use cameras, and I'll do my tip videos and stuff. Oh wow, look at this stuff. It's pretty cool opening this stuff up, man. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Pretty cool, man. I don't honestly I don't even know what this really does, but like a lot of my top content creators, favorite content creators, say you have to have this with your Canon M50. So that's that. All right, now let's open up the Young Nuo Nifty 50. All right, look at that. Man, I got boxes and plastic and stuff everywhere around here. Oh, got a piece falling off there. It's my first time opening this stuff. So yeah, it looks like it has a piece of plastic in there that I would take that off. I'll just leave that on for now. Kind of light. I'm surprised how light it is. Like, well, I guess they're both pretty light. So yeah, that's the 50mm Young Nuo. Can I put this back in here? I don't know. I don't know how to do that. We'll just put that right there. Right there. Oh, am I doing this right? I hope I ain't messing it up. All right, so one more. Yeah, this is the 35mm. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I just know that they give you different field of view, not field of view, but range, I guess. I'm not camera tech savvy, but like I said, I just wanted to make these unboxing videos just so I can look back at this in a couple years and just be like, look, man, I didn't know nothing about this stuff. Nothing about this stuff, and now, you know, so those are the two Nuos that they attach to the Viltrox speed booster. The kit lens. So this is what I'm starting with. Yeah, I'm gonna start with these 3 lenses. I guess, yeah, 3 lenses with the adapter, and I'm hoping I can get some pretty good visuals, video, and pictures, photos out of this. I'm gonna get, there's one more I'm gonna get. It's like a $200 or $300 lens though. Sigma something. everybody keep telling me I need to get. It's like $300 though. So yeah, so that's that. Let me go ahead and move this stuff out the way here. Just really quick, I wanted to unbox these cameras. This is the Canon Vixia HF R800. I got this specifically for streaming. That's it. I got two of them. One is refurbished. This in the brown box is refurbished. This one is new. So let's go ahead and unbox this really quick. Didn't want this video to get too long. Like I said, this is strictly for documentation purposes for me. That's one thing I like about YouTube, is just being able to put videos out and be able to go back and look at it later. Alright, so this is the Vixia. Man, that's so small. These cameras are small. Look at my hand. It's like it fits in your hand. Like, that's how small these cameras are. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Oh, can you turn this around too? Look at that. Wow. So you can be filming vlog style if you want. You have a nice viewfinder right there that you can film. And this is like a workhorse from what everyone says. This is like a workhorse. Oh, look at that. Boom. That up. Bam. You could literally plug this in and just stream forever, and it will have a much better HD look than like a typical, like, you know, like this, a typical webcam like these. You know, these are HD as well. They're pretty good, but you know, for some reason these just look better when you have the right lighting and whatnot. So yeah, so that's that. Of course, you have all the plugs, all the wires you need here. Official Canon battery. They say don't use batteries that's not Canon. Blow your device up. And yeah, that's that. Manual on this. So yeah, these are pretty affordable. You get these cameras for under 200. I got another one. This is refurbished. Satisfaction guaranteed. All I got this one with the body. And yeah, another white one. Look how small it is. Boom. Wow. So yeah. Awesome. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So these would be like my two cameras that I would just be going to have different views, and my main camera would be the Canon. While I'm streaming, or if I'm just filming a video and I want to have different angles. I'm dropping boxes everywhere. Yeah, I just wanted to have different angles of the video. So yeah, I think this is a good start for budget. I mean, 200. I think this was 500. So this was 50. This was like another 50 or something, and I think the speed booster was 100. You know, so all in all, probably right around $1,000. I was able to most likely drastically upgrade my video setup there. So yeah, didn't want this video to get too long. It's going on 15 minutes now. So thank you for watching my unboxing of my Canon cameras. And if you have any questions, you know, I'll try my best to answer them. If I get really good at these, I'll get into some more in detail reviews and stuff like that. But other than that, I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next video. Appreciate y'all watching. All right, peace.